At Lake.com, finding and saving your dream lakeside getaway is just a heart click away. I'm David, the founder and CEO, and I want to welcome you to our tutorial on how to create and manage your favorites, making it easier than ever to plan your perfect vacation. Start by logging in and ensuring that you're in the guest view by hovering over the menu at the top corner. In the guest experience, you'll have access to special features designed for travelers just like you. One of those features is called Favorites, your personalized curation tool for future adventures. If you haven't added any properties yet, you'll see a starter collection called My First Collection. That's empty, so let's change that. By clicking the lake logo or by doing a new search, you'll see a number of properties offered by hosts who are ready to welcome you in. Remember, you can search by keyword, location, number of guests, amenities, and most importantly, dates. Then you can view the properties in a list or a map to see the location and its proximity to the water or nearest town. Found a property that you love? Well, simply click the heart icon to save it. You can add it to an existing collection or create a new one for a specific trip or theme. Organize your favorites by creating collections. For instance, you might make one called Family Summer Lake Retreat, or another one called Romantic Getaway. How about Antique Boat Show, or Annual Fishing Derby, or well, you get the idea. This feature keeps potential stays perfectly organized, making it easy to compare and those final decisions. Navigate between collections to view your saved properties. Each collection offers you a snapshot of your dream vacation homes, keeping all your favorites in one place. Planning a group trip? Well, you can share your favorite collections with friends and family. The best part is that they don't even need an account or have to be logged in to view your recommendations. You'll get a link to a webpage made just for them. Only people with the link can view the page. You can share the link by email or with friends on social media or in a private group chat. This is a great way to get others involved in the planning process and ensure that wherever you decide to stay, it's going to meet the needs of the group. With Lake.com's favorites, planning your next lakeside getaway is as relaxing as the vacation itself. Save, organize, and share your top picks to ensure your next adventure is unforgettable. We hope that you like the experience, but if you'd like to see some new features, just simply email us, feedback@lake.com, or let us know in the comments below. Thank you for using Lake.com, happy planning, and we look forward to hosting you at the lake.